So I ran into a little issue while rotoscoping using the Roto brush in After Effects, and I want to share the solution because it was driving me a little bit crazy. Here you can see I've got a character with a transparent background. In the layer itself, if you double click, you can see the Roto, and he had a background before. I had to Roto him out, and I did a decent job. The string could be better, but I'm not too worried about the string. I was mainly focused on making sure that the character himself was rotoed out. And I had it the way I liked it, so everything seemed fine. And I exported it out. And then again, I also exported it through After Effects just to see if either one made a difference, and it didn't. So I had an issue where when I brought the MOV file into Premiere, the first frame didn't look right. So if I move forward, it's looking okay, but at the first frame, pieces of the character are being cut off. His leg here, his hand, even the string was looking not the best, and something was off. So when I went back into After Effects, I analyzed my situation and I couldn't see the problem. Here at the very first frame, we're seeing his full leg, we're seeing his hand. Why did it look so different? Well, there was a warning and I should have paid attention. If I go into my layer where I did my rotoscope, so double click on your composition here. And as you can see, I've got my roto. It all looks good, but what is this warning? What is this bright yellow banner that I ignored? Well, it's telling me what the problem is. I need to be in full resolution, and right now I'm not. So if I want to be in full resolution, I need to go back to my composition. So out of my layer, back to my composition, and then go to the bottom left-hand side. You'll see it says half. This is where I need to be in full res. And when you're doing rotoscoping, you should always be in full res so that you don't have this issue. So I'm going to drop down, go to full. There we go. We are missing part of his leg. When I'm in full res, I can see the problem. So I can go back to layer, and with that selected, I can fix my roto a bit. Just make sure if you don't see your purple line, make sure here under this drop down, you're in roto brush, and also make sure your toggle alpha boundary is selected. And now I can go in, fix it all up. Boom. Doop-a-doo. Perfect. And I'm going to play it so it locks in. And let's check the composition. All right. Yep. That first frame is looking much better. We can see his whole leg. We can see his whole hand. And now I'm going to export it, bring it into Premiere, double check, and confirm that that solved our problem. Okay, it's all set. Let's drop it in here. Perfect. Look at that. We see his leg finally. I might want to do some cleaning up along the edges of that kite, but overall, I mean, that was the issue. So always make sure to work in full res when rotoscoping in After Effects. That's the lesson. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you found this useful. And if you did, check out my playlist in After Effects where I have more tips and tricks like this. Thanks.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my explainer video channel.